Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh Gorantla and today we are going to discussing about Cypress type function. What is type function? Basically like you can able to say in Selenium we have handling for text boxes or any place where automations are text box we are validating, right? In the text box I want to enter a value. In this text box I want to enter some value. That how we can able to do in Selenium we can able to use send case. In Selenium what we can able to use, that is a send keys. Send keys. This is the command we are going to use to enter a value inside a text box. Right? In a Cypress we can able to use for type keyword. This is a function. Type is a function. That function we are using and we are entering value by using a type. In a type also we have like type syntax will become like cy dot a get, and we need to provide for locator. Then we need to use for here type. Okay, then inside the type we can able to provide a value. Okay, this is the one we can able to do it. And also the type having for type with the value, one option we can able to provide. Another one is type with the value and optional parameter. Optional parameter, this is the way we can able to declare our type keyword. Okay, this function can able to enter a value, and also we can able to do some different type of actions like keyboard actions. Keyboard actions like escaping after entering. I want to escape from that particular text box. Then we can able to do it. After entering a last text box, you are in the last text box. After that, you have to click and enter. That also we can able to do. You want to enter now in the text box. What happened in the first text box? First I entered for Lokesh. Okay, I realized that I want to enter for Gorantla as well in a name place. Now I need to space, I need to use for Gorantla. Like this I want to use it. I want to type. After that, then how we can able to means we can able to use when the type there is a keyboard actions, that by using insert keyword is there, that using that insert keyword we can able to insert value already existed without clearing the value. Without clearing a value we can able to do it. How we can able to do these actions? And if you want more information, there is a, if you type for Cypress type, then you can able to get for first action, first option. Okay, click on that. I can go ahead here and you can able to see this is the syntax we can able to see, right? And also we can able to type by using like this. The wrong format is without using a get, you can't able to use for type. If you use that it will not work. If you use any other functions and then you are going to use for type, that also it will not work. With the get function only you can able to use it. Okay, and it will take for some arguments. If you want to use some argument like backspace, you want to use the some backspace in our keyboard, there is a backspace to remove that one left value. Then you can able to use the backspace, and you want to delete that entire cursor focused location, then we can able to use a down arrow. You want to click the down arrow, you can able to, and end point you can able to use it, enter and escape and home, inserting a value. If you want to insert a left side or right side, you can able to use it. You want a left arrow, then you can able to move to end that particular text box having some value already, like this. And you want to move left side, then it will go for move left side. And you want to go for arrow into right side, then you can able to like this. We can able to do for all the actions, down page and right arrow, selecting all, say up arrow. These all the actions we can able to, even you can some modification in the sequence, that also we can able to use these formats. Okay, this all our documentation, it is provided inside the Cypress documentation location. You can able to go ahead and read everything. You can able to understand there are so much of options it is presented. Okay. Now I'm going to show you a little bit things. Okay. For this, we can able to go ahead and create for one file, right clicking on file and using for text box dot cy dot js. Okay. And here I'm going to use for describing. Now my function I'm going to create for suit text box demo. Then my function I'm going to create. Okay. And test case I'm going to create at the text box demo text box validation, and then I'm going to create for my function. Okay. Here I'm going to use for visit to visit my URL. That is my URL is in this particular automation. Okay. Then I need to use for first directly will enter for a value. Enter value in text box. Text box. For this I'm going to use for it get and this path. I'm going to get the path locator relative path and then pasting the relative path, and then I'm going to use for type, and the type I'm going to mentioning for Lokesh. Okay. Now for this whether we can able to execute properly or not, we'll see. For this npx Cypress open, this is the command we can able to open for Cypress. Now we are able to open. Now E2E and start location. Now mine is text box, and we can able to see now. Now you can see Lokesh, it is entered value, correct? Now it is able to enter Lokesh value, but I want to now we saw for one option that is a normal way, and second I want to enter already I enter some value, but I want to enter some another value in the same text box. An example also we saw in the some error message, right? You can see if I use like this whether it will work or not. Negative case type without get function. Now it will fail, and you can see then child command comes the second. Parent command must come for first. You can able to see the error message. See why parent is get and child is click or something action. Okay, this is the one, that's why we are not able to use without get function for type. Okay. Now second option, I want to enter a value. Now for entering value we can able to see there is a function called enter. In a table there are provided for some entering. Now this is the command insert. Okay, insert is the one to enter a value. Okay, then I'm going to use for insert. Now I'm going to use for Gorantla. Okay, now I saved. Now again you can go and see here. Oh, sorry. Now you can see Lokesh Gorantla. I'm able to see, right? Full name. Okay. Now I have a full name in my text box, whether in text box which I enter the value, whether it is presented or not. For this, I need to check some condition, but I do here the repetition value is presented, then I can able to delete this option. Type will be presented here. It automatically to pick the same because we are doing the similar same place, right? Then it will pick, no issue. Then again I'm enter here. Now I need to use for should for applying for action assertion should, and then I need to use for have dot value. What value I'm going to expecting? Lokesh space Gorantla. This I'm going to expecting. Now again I'm saving now. You can see whether that particular action is presented or not. See now my action is passed because I have in the text box Gorantla Lokesh is the value. Okay. And a second again I can able to use for should place I can able to use for and what I can able to say that particular text box is visible or not. B dot visible. Okay. But as a normal way, if you see anything, if you are want to enter something before we need to enter, then only we can able to use a visible, because if it is visual then only we need to type, but if you use last it is not useful, right? The assertion will be pass. Okay, now if I run this one it will pass, the assertion will be pass, but before typing I want to use how we can able to means. Now same one I will copy, I'll make my comment, I'll paste it here, then I can use it here dot should, and I can use it here dot b dot visible. Okay, if it is visible I need to type, that is the first condition. What I'm checking first now, now I'm doing for first condition, first I'm doing for condition. If it is visible then we need to type, if it is not visible then automatically it will fail in this particular location, it will not go for this one. If it is enter then it will do for all the assertion. Now I'm going to save. Previous what we done, we typed directly and then we are doing for assertion. Now I'm doing for assertion first. If it is visible then you can go for doing. See, my two assertion and two types are got passed, and even you can able to do for exist or not. By using for b dot visible we can able to use for exist command. If that is the DOM, if that particular value is exist then we can able to see that action. Okay, for this again I'll change this one. Same place also we can able to use as a automation side, we need to use for separate those two actions. Now here, in case if you are not able to understand like what type of method I want to enter, remove everything, single quotation, you can keep single quotation. Now control space, then it will give you for all kind of actions, assertions, what type of assertion you can able to use, that kind of assertion you can able to see here, all the assertions. Control space, and you can see one by one. Okay, one by one you can check what type of assertion you want, that type you can choose and you can able to use. Now mine is exist, then I'm going to use for exist, then save. Like that you can able to try. In case if in middle also unexpectedly you are not getting any pop-up, then you want to check, then you can able to use by clicking for control and space, and you will get for IntelliJ support what type of assertion you want, that all assertions will come and sit. Okay, now it is working. Now insert is working as expected, but I don't want to use the insert, I want to use another action, that is a home. Home is basically move cursor to the starting of the line. If you are uh, if your cursor in the starting position, then it is okay. If your cursor is on last, if you make the home, the cursor will go for home location, means starting position. Okay, and another action is end. End also the cursor will go for end location. End location means the cursor is in home location starting before L, then it will go for A. After L it will go because we are using for end command. Okay, how it will work we'll see. Now again I will comment this one. Now I'm going to use it here. Home action. Okay. For this what I can do here, Lokesh will be presented. But before Lokesh, I want to enter home. I will use home. Gorantla I want to enter before that. Okay. Before Lokesh, I want to enter for Gorantla. Okay. Then if I save now, you can see previous what will happen. Lokesh Gorantla it is coming. Now I want to enter for first Gorantla. Then see now you can see assertion will be failed because we are used for similar format. That's why it is failed. Okay, don't worry. The assertion will also pass because we are copy pasted. That's why it is failed. Now you can see Gorantla locations assertion is passed. Okay, that is a home. Means home automatically it will go for focus on before L. Okay. Now I want enter for. Now I want to enter after assertion. I want to enter. Now here what I want to enter in end I need to enter a value called testing. Okay, and again I want to do for assertion. Again I want to do for assertion. Two times not required, that's why I'm going to use for and directly have value, and I'm going to use for same testing as well. Okay, now Gorantla Lokesh testing. This is the assertion I need to pass. Now again I'm saving now. Again I'm going to open. See the execution. See 3 got passed because testing also it is entered. Now you can see Gorantla Lokesh testing. This is the information it will provide here. Okay, the same thing you can able to see here assertion as well. Okay, even you can able to use n number of assertion we have. You can try to practice, then you can able to get for more knowledge. Okay, I hope this information help for you. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.